Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aisha Slim and you are watching Market Minds. MT4 and MT5 is not complicated. You are just looking at it in the wrong way. Codes tell you what to trade. Charts tell you when to trade. Trade tab shows how much you are making. History shows how good you are. Trading is skill, not luck. Biggest mistake beginners make. They trade without stop loss. Stop loss save your account. Take profit, secure your gains. If you don't control risk, the market will control you. Trade smart, not emotional. Risk management is everything, or no stop loss equal to no future in trading. Wants to protect your money in trading? Then you must understand this. Stop loss is your safety net. It automatically closes your trade to prevent big loss. Take profit is your target. It closes your trade when your profit goal is reached. No stop loss, you are gambling. No take profit, you are trading without a plan. Smart trader doesn't guess, they manage risk.